How is it?
That was fun.
You like it?
I don't know if I'm in neutral. Yeah. It's so, honestly, the clutch is like, it's stiff, but
it grabs hard, but it's not horrible.
No, it's not bad. It's like...
Dude, it sounds so good from the outside. That's the first time I heard it, like,
really?
Actually go.
I mean, like, I'll do it again if you...
No, it's okay. Let's go eat.
Are you sure, though?
I'll let you drive it another time.
No, but now's like the perfect time.
Okay, go ahead, one more. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and it is freaking early in the morning, but it's Saturday. I was just gonna go to Callie's house, but I was like, you know what? I should probably go to the junkyard and grab another sensor, because not my engine coolant temp. Like I can see my my coolant temp on my laptop on the tuning software, but I can't see it on the gauge, and it's just like a little one-wire sensor. So I need to get that. I think that's really it I need from the junkyard, but there's a couple other things I want to do. I need to clean up the shop. I need to do a couple things, so I figured, fuck it, I'm going to get stuff done, and then I'll go hang out with Callie later. Let's go to the junkyard. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take this with me. I probably won't, but that's where we're going. Alright, yeah, like I said, I couldn't bring this into the junkyard, but I got the sensor. Hopefully it works. I could only find one car there with it, surprisingly. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and open this garage door up, and I need to clean up a little bit. I mean, obviously, like, I probably don't have time to do everything today because, you know, I'm trying to hang out with my lady. But I could definitely give this place a nice straightening up so that when I come back and work in here, I don't hate my life. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. Alright. That's a lot better. Check it out. Now you can't see half of it. It's bright as hell out, but not too freaking bad. I can, comfortably park my car in here now. So that's cool. Nice and swept floor, cleaned up that area so I can actually walk through it. Yeah, so camera battery is going to the shitter at the moment, so I'm gonna charge it and then I will get back to you guys. Actually, you know what? I probably have just enough to go get some outside clips of the car, and I know just where to do it. Alright, so here we go. This is the sensor right here. That's all it is. It tells the temp gauge inside the car to work. All it is a 12, and I'm going to try to do it quick because I know coolant's going to come out of this. And boom, there we go. I guess I won't know until it warms up because when this is broken, it'll just read dead cold, and you can see the whole end piece just kind of was like, nah. Frick it. I've had this thing for a while, might as well freaking throw it on. Don't really know if I'm going to keep this one, but yeah, we'll see how it looks. I frick with it. Yeah, it's cool, it's cool. Not bad for like 40 bucks or whatever the hell I paid for it. Sweet, it actually fits good too. And the adhesive is actually sticking. Alright. Cool. Cool little, 2-second mod. Now I also have, yeah, I think that looks good. I think that looks freaking sweet. Alright guys, well I hope this works because, I don't know. Insert picture of what exactly is going on in my passenger seat right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my laptop. Just make sure that it is in fact logging. There we go. Alright, well, let's do our first official, drive around in this thing. It drives pretty damn good. Let's see if I can crack that window. Get you guys a little bit more sound without getting all that wind. I said, I didn't do any crazy tuning to this at all. I just did the very basics of what I know, and that pretty much just includes, and I've been looking up a bunch of videos on this, and just kind of studying the Neptune software, where, you know, with fueling, I'm pretty confident that I can get it right. Especially if I was on a dyno, I could definitely, you know, I could definitely get my fueling pretty good. I don't know much about timing. I know the general rule is to retard 1 degree per PSI, and that's all I did. I didn't add any timing back into it, so I don't think detonation will be a problem for me. Until I do get on a dyno, I'm not really playing with my timing at all. Besides, I just got like my idle timing okay and all that stuff, but other than that, really haven't done much. It pulls so smooth, dude. Like, I don't know. Let me see if I can't get one good Vtec pull for you guys, just so, what is it? So, alright, guy. So you guys can see that Vtec. Hey, look, my temperature went up. That's good. Well, second and third. I wasn't watching my AFRs on that one, but I'm sure they were good because I saw some black smoke coming out my wastegate. AFR is good. Sounds good. Feels good. But yeah. I've never done one of these videos, so I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys can see the yeah, it's zoomed all the way out. All right, good. There we go. We're up to full temp. Dope. Some kids doing wheelies on their bikes. Sounds good. The kids said let me hear it, you know, do it for the kids. Always gotta do it for the kids. She fucking rose second. I wasn't about to bang third, but as you guys can see, she's running freaking nice. But yeah, I guess this has been a long section, so I'll let you guys go, and see you guys with maybe some outside shots later, hopefully, maybe. See how Callie does. Thing fucking rips, guys. Thing sounds fucking good. Dude, this is the first time I'm hearing this from the outside. Man, dude, that thing sounds good. I really hope this camera picks it up. And if you guys aren't watching this on a surround sound system, go watch it on a surround sound system. Or like Apple headphones, you know, those are usually good. But holy shit. That was the first like good rip that I gave it, and oh, look at that, dude. I spun both. That's sick. Second just friggin' roast some. I mean, it's cold out obviously, but I don't know what power it's making, but it's more than enough for me to be happy for now. And when it gets, you know, tuned, then you know, it'll be cool. I hear it coming back. Ah, it looks so good. Ah, god damn it, it sounds so good. How is it?
That was fun.
You like it?
I don't know if I'm in neutral. Yeah. It's so, honestly, the clutch is like, it's stiff, but
it grabs hard, but it's not horrible. No,
it's not bad. It's like...
Dude, it sounds so good from the outside. That's the first time I heard it, like,
really?
Actually go.
I mean, like, I'll do it again if you...
No, it's okay. Let's go eat.
Are you sure, though?
I'll let you drive it another time.
No, but but now's like the perfect time.
Okay, go ahead, one more. Just put the heat all the way up, just in case, because I don't want to turn my fans on. It's cold enough that the heat will probably do. She's got it, dude. She's a veteran standard driver. I'm so happy with this car. She's playing with the pops and the bangs over there. Oh man, dude, this is literally just, this is a good thing. I'm really happy with this. I have a couple little things to do that, like, you know, like alignments and whatever, you know, trying to just get stuff dialed in. I'm probably gonna repaint it at some point just because I'm not happy with it, and now Don bought that better gun, so I'd rather just paint it with the better gun because I won't get as much friggin' because that last gun I literally had to have the spray pattern full closed to be able to get a non-gloopy spray out of it, no matter what friggin' PSI. Little bits and pieces that, you know, could be improved, but for the most part, oh dude, I freaking sounds so damn good. It looks so good rolling, dude. Holy shit.
You didn't hear me stall it down there, did you?
No, did you stall it?
I did.
It's okay. Ah, okay, let's go friggin' eat. Alright. Well, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.
Gotta fix these window things.
What, the tints?
No, well that...
Oh, the stripping?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to get new, or molding, rather. Oh, it's cold.